Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in to the Google account that pays for YouTube Premium. Once signed in, click your profile picture at the top right. You want the account menu. From there, choose paid memberships so you can see your active premium plan. Doing this first places you directly where subscription controls live, and it ensures you're canceling the correct account. Otherwise, you might stop the wrong subscription. Now that the membership page is open, move to the membership details to prepare for cancellation. Once on the paid memberships page, find the YouTube Premium entry. This is the subscription you'll cancel. Click Manage Membership to reveal options and billing details. This step explains when your access ends and whether you'll lose family benefits. Next, select Cancel Membership. YouTube will present confirmation screens explaining refunds or remaining access. Read those prompts so you know the effective date. If you're part of a family plan, make sure you're the manager before proceeding. Then continue through the cancellation confirmations. Finish by confirming cancellation in the final prompt and note the date when premium ends. You retain benefits until then. Make sure you receive an email confirmation. This is proof the autopay was stopped and helps with disputes. If you don't get email or the subscription still charges, verify you canceled the correct Google account and whether the plan was billed through Google Play, Apple App Store, or a carrier. If so, cancel through that billing provider or contact their support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.